Hey everyone, in this video, I'll show you exactly how to create an ebook in just 2 minutes using Canva. Whether you're launching a digital product, building your brand, or simply sharing your expertise, Canva makes it incredibly easy to design a professional looking ebook with zero design experience. Let's get started. First, open your web browser and go to the Canva website. If you don't already have an account, don't worry. Signing up is completely free and only takes a moment. Once you're logged in, go to the search bar at the top and type ebook. Press enter and you'll instantly see a wide variety of professionally designed ebook templates. Canva offers everything from sleek and modern styles to colorful and creative layouts. Take a minute to scroll through and pick one that matches your content's theme and tone. Once you've found your favorite, click on it and then select Customize this template. This opens Canva's easy-to-use editor, and this is where the magic happens. With its drag and drop tools, editing your ebook is incredibly simple. Click on any text box to replace the default text with your own words. You can start by writing a title, introduction, and chapters, and don't forget a conclusion or a short about the author section if you're publishing professionally. Next, personalize your design. Adjust fonts, colors, and layouts to match your brand or personal style. Canva gives you full creative freedom to make every page unique while keeping the flow consistent. You can also upload your own images, graphics, or logos by clicking on the Uploads tab, or explore Canva's massive library of free photos, icons, and illustrations to visually enhance your ebook. Once your design is ready, review each page carefully. Check for typos, make sure your headings stand out, and ensure the layout flows smoothly from one page to the next. A clean, visually appealing design will keep your readers engaged from start to finish. When you're happy with everything, it's time to download your ebook. Click on the download button in the top right corner and select PDF, print, or standard PDF as your file format. PDFs preserve your design perfectly across all devices, making them ideal for sharing or selling online. And just like that, you've created your very own professional ebook in just a few minutes using Canva. It's fast, it's simple, and it's the perfect tool for turning your ideas into beautiful digital content. Thanks for watching. If you found this guide helpful, make sure to like this video, subscribe for more Canva tutorials, and start creating your next ebook today. Happy designing!